Lockley Lux Compact PGD 688 Mortise Edition Installation Guide. Preparation. Drilling may be required to install this lock if you're installing on a new door or door without hole prepared for a mortise lock set. Use provided drilling templates to prepare door for installation. You would need professional door drilling tools. There are 4 common door opening directions. The lock set ships default for a right-in swing door. You do not need to change direction if you have a right-in swing door. Here is how to change the latch throw direction. Move the metal barrier upwards. Push the latch throw inwards and position the moving lip aligned with the latch inside the case. Hold the moving lip aligned to the latch and twist downwards to 180 degrees. Release the metal barrier to fully extend the latch. When installing the lock set, ensure the latch throw position is on the top and the deadbolt is at the bottom. Use screws G to secure the lock set. The lock ships default handle for right-in swing or left-out swing door. Check this diagram if you're unsure of your door orientation. Insert key and rotate, to align the 2 white dots as shown. Use provided pin insert or to push the metal pin on the sides of the handle. Detach the handle once the pins are compressed. Rotate the handle to 180 degrees. Insert the handle back into the lock. Confirm that your installation is complete by checking if 2 pins on the side of handle has popped out. Twist key back to horizontal position, then remove. Remove the screw positioned on point R. Use a flathead screwdriver to press the middle marker and move to point L. Insert the screw to point L, then tighten. On the interior panel, remove the screw, then rotate handle 180 degrees to the other side of the lock. Securely screw to complete the handle orientation change. Install spindle C, with the holes on the sides aligned to the holes of the base. Insert the locking pin D into the hole. Carefully bend the locking pin with the nose pliers. You are not required to drill an extra hole in your door. We have provided a double-sided adhesive tape to help stabilize the lock during installation. Only drill a hole if you wish to add stability. Please refer to the provided drilling template, if needed. Insert connection cable underneath the lock set. Pass the spindle through the center of the lock set and the rods on the side holes. Align the lock straight and press hard if you use the adhesive tape to secure the lock. Insert positioning rods V into the holes on the left and right side of the spindle. Pull the cable from the lock exterior through the rectangular hole of the mounting plate LK. Install interior mounting plate LK against the interior side of the door. Remove the paper layer off the adhesive tape and align the positioning rods on the bottom of the plate to the corresponding left and right holes. If you drilled a hole on the top during preparation, secure the hole with screws M1 for 25 mm door thickness or M2 for 35 mm door thickness. Remove the positioning rods and replace them with screws O. Tighten the screws clockwise until the mounting plate is secure. Plug the cable coming from the exterior panel into the lock interior panel. Align the spindle to the lock interior and attach the interior panel to the interior mounting plate. Gently push some of the excess cable through the rectangular hole into the door. Make sure the cable is away and not tangling with the spindle. Once the cable is aligned and flush against the mounting plate, secure the lock with screws P. Check the interior handle is working and the deadbolt and latch throw extends when handle is lifted up and retracts when pushed down. Open the battery compartment and insert 4 batteries. Close the battery compartment and secure with screw. Install the strike box as shown above. Open the door frame, install box, then the strike plate and fix it with screws.